Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. I am back with another video for you all, and the video is related to Diwali DIY. So today I'll show you how to make a Diwali DIY toran for the decoration of the houses. So let's begin with it. So take a handmade color pink paper. It should be hardened paper so that the hanging should be made correctly. And using the pencil, just draw a lotus petal on the paper as shown in the video. Just follow the similar steps as I am showing you. It's very easy and looking very glimmer on the walls. Now just cut the pattern using the scissor as shown. Now our beautiful pattern is ready. Now just take a hard cardboard and just draw out and paste the pattern lotus petal on the cardboard and just cut it out as shown. Out the pattern as shown in the video. Now see our hanging I have created already. Now I'll show you how to create the hanging. So now just highlight the pattern over the using the black color sketch pen or marker as shown. Now just using the golden color glitter pen, just highlight the detailings and just highlight its facts too. Now just take a needle and a thread and now just insert the golden and white color beads for the hanging of the petal, and just take 6 to 8 beads as shown. So our hanging is ready. Just take a sequence and just paste it on the corner of the petal. So see, I have created 10 to 11 pieces of the petals, and now just we gonna make a hanging, and these two hangings I have created using a paper cloth bag. Now just take some pearls and beads of golden, brown and white color and just hang them over one another as shown in the video. So see, our wall hanging is ready, and at the end just hang the white color hanging as I have shown you already. If you don't have this white color hanging, you can just make beautiful color pom-poms and or other at the end you can attach the beads hanging. Thank you. Happy Diwali guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.